Hi, Coms 130. Today we're looking at a campaign from LinkedIn. I chose it because the concept was interesting. The campaign was originally in Spanish, but after translation, we find that the campaign series is called Present Your Best Profile. The target audience for this original campaign is probably a 17 to 23-year-old college student. The feel of the ad reminds me of the eat, drink, and be merry, for tomorrow we die attitude. But as long as you present your best profile, you're good. So I wasn't a huge fan of that part of the concept, so I switched things up at the end, and you'll see that. But this ad utilizes a large chaotic image with a LinkedIn profile selectively isolating one part of the picture. LinkedIn, as a social media platform that focuses on business and networking, this larger image would not go well if you were, it wouldn't be ideal if you were trying to represent yourself and to seek work or professional networking. So they just chose one little piece of the photo to represent themselves. Let's take a deeper look. This ad used LinkedIn to their trademark colors of white, blue, and gray to match their logo. The color brings order to the chaotic picture, and the colors are consistent with the profile and the logo tagline at the bottom. Typography is simple and crisp. They use sans serif, bringing in different weights for contrast using the Proxima Nova in extra bold, regular, and light. Using these same fonts in the profile area as well as down in the tagline at the bottom of the ad, which of course matches the LinkedIn logo. As we discussed earlier, the LinkedIn profile creates a window which frames the chosen perfect profile text. The text at the bottom, tagline, and logo are linked by proximity, but separated by a line for clarity. This image also is horizontal, as is the profile and the text at the bottom, so that brings us some repetition to pull us all the way through this ad. So now let's look at the new one. I kept consistent with the original ad in the color profile, creating the same fonts and creating the same colors. So we've got our blue, our gray, and our white, and they coordinate with the logo in the bottom as well. Typography as well kept the same in the sans serifs. I did a little research and found the closest font, which was Proxima Nova, once again utilizing the extra bold, the regular, and the light weights to give the variations needed in both the profile area as well as in the tagline. In the design, the image is replicating the original, and it created the profile with the window, selecting the best area of the picture to represent this new fictional Blake Anderson, who is a radio DJ and does voiceovers. So selecting the ideal placement, once again, it takes him out of the chaotic picture and just focuses on him, but his surroundings aren't as negative as the original ad campaign was. So that picked his best profile. And once again, keeping with that horizontal repetition of the horizontal photo, the horizontal profile, and the tagline. In conclusion, I believe that this ad would be a great extension to the Present Your Best Profile campaign, because it would extend the target market to English speakers as well as a more educated millennial who actually loves his community and likes to be a part of it and not just party near it. I had a lot of fun with this, and it's been a blast. Thanks.